guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a package from Amazon, so yeah, we're just gonna take a look at it. It's already open, but so yeah, let's just take a look already. You guys will see. So okay, we got a bunch of this stuff. Okay, it's like really puffy. Oh, it's here. Yo. Okay, 1 second, guys. Let me just. Yeah. Okay. What is this? It's like a vest or something. Here it is, guys. Look at this. I got a options Fred organizer. Here it is. So let's pop it open. One sec. Let me open it. There we go, guys. Look at this thing. It holds up. So yeah, guys, look at this thing. It is beautiful. So let's close it again. So this thing is actually a Fred organizer. You see, it holds Fred, but let's take one. Okay, no. Let's take a different car. Like maybe my Mad Manga. So I have my Hot Wheels car, right? Pop these open. All right. Open this boy. Oh, wait, that one. Hold up. We gotta put it the bottom. But this one's too big. Hold up. We gotta put the. It's there. Look at that. You can just close it up. And look, see, your car's just gonna be right there, sitting there. Look at that. That is cool. Like literally, huh? So guys, if you want to know where to buy this, get it from Amazon. It costs $47. I know it's kind of expensive, but still, this thing is huge. Like, look at this. It's huge as my head. This thing is really big in person, because like you might think it's probably like not that big, but look, this thing's like pretty huge. It's also got like two sides where you can put like cars here, cars on the front. But yeah, originally they used to sell this in Walmart, but after they just took it off the shelves. Then after they don't have it anymore, so you have to buy it off Amazon. But still, guys, this case is very nice. You can just hold 48 cars in here if you want to. You can use it for Fred, maybe like cars, other stuff. There's also this one, like, see? Now I can fit my big car because like it's like there's no wall here, so I can just kind of fit like any other big cars, which that is very useful. Because hold on, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Let me get it. I think I have it. I'm not sure where it is at the moment. I don't know where it is actually. I'm trying to find it. It's in one of my bins. Where did I put it? If I don't find it, I'm just gonna come back. Yeah, guys, I did not find it. I had this big Hot Wheels truck. Hot Wheels premium truck, but I do not have it at the moment. Still, guys, this is very cool. I want to rip off the sticker. Like, hold up. Let's try to close this thing again now. How do I close this again? I think I just broke it. No, how do I close this big thing? Oh my god, oh. So yeah, there it is. I want to see if I can try to take out the sticker. Because I don't really like that sticker, so let's try to... Oh, okay, hold up. Take that off because I don't want that on there. I want to see all my cars in here. That's the reason why I bought it. I'm not having to take that off. Oh, this is yes. There it is. Look at that. I'm gonna keep this because like I might put it somewhere like so I know what this is. But so that is nice. So that is probably garbage. Let's just stick this. Put it right there. Oh, never mind. I'll just leave it. It's okay. But here it is. I took out the sticker. But yeah. You can also carry this around too. If you want to take it to places. Just like take it to like stores. Buy for your kids. You can just hold it here and just like walk around like a suitcase. Well, yeah, guys. That's all I got to say for this. It's pretty cool. 48 car storage. In the link in the description, you can buy this on Amazon for $47. Well, yeah, guys, hope you have a good day. Bye.